Hello friends, welcome to MSc second year third semester. In this semester you have four papers. Out of that I am going to teach you the paper that is basics of lasers and devices. As you know that laser, it is a short form of light amplification by stimulated emission of radiations. Actually these are the light sources which emits the highly directional, intense, monochromatic and coherent beam of light which makes a laser light to be different than ordinary light. Actually lasers are used for different purposes for scientific, telecommunication, medical, uh, and various fields of we are use lasers. In this semester you have four module. Your syllabus is divided into four sections. Out of that, first module is the basics of laser. In this section, first article is the interaction of light and matter, how light is interacted with matter. As you know that when light is falls on any material, some part is absorbed, some is reflected, some is transmitted. That we will see much more detail in this article. Next article is a behavior of quantum behavior of light. There are different theories were proposed for explaining the light, and out of that we will see the quantum nature of light. Next article is energy levels. What are the different types of energy levels that we'll see in this article. Next is the population. Actually, the number of atoms in a particular state, that is called population of that particular state. That is the article. Next is thermal equilibrium. What do you mean by thermal equilibrium? That we'll see in that section. Next article is absorption and emission of light. When light is absorbed or emitted, that we'll see in absorption and emission of light. Next article is Einstein's prediction and three processes. Actually, the concept of stimulated emission is proposed by Einstein in 1970, and three processes that is that are spontaneous absorption, spontaneous emission, stimulated emission. These are the three processes that we will see in this Einstein's prediction and three processes article. Next is the light amplification. What is mean by light amplification? Next article, high intensity. Then Einstein's relations. Actually Einstein's relation is nothing but the relation between transition probabilities of lower to excited state and excited state to the ground state. And that is called Einstein's relation, that we will see in Einstein's relation. Next article is a condition for large stimulated emission. Then condition for large light amplification. Next article is the population inversion. As you know that population inversion means there are more number of atoms in excited state than that of ground state, that is called population inversion. Next article is pumping. Pumping means the process of sending of atoms from ground state to the excited state, that is called pumping. And what are the different types of pumping methods? Actually pumping methods depends on the which sources we are using for exciting the atoms. If we use a light energy for exciting the atoms, that means photons, that is called optical pumping. If we use electrical energy or electrical discharge for exciting the atom, that is undergoes electrical pumping. Some chemical reactions are also used for exciting the atoms, that is called chemical pumping. So it depends on the which source we are using for the exciting atoms. There are different types of pumping methods. Then next article is a metastable state. Actually atoms spends much more time in particular state, that is called metastable state. For a lasing action, metastable state is a must condition. Then properties of lasers. uh, as I have already tell you that directionality, monochromaticity, intensity and coherence, these are the properties of laser which makes a laser light different than ordinary light. So this is the first module, that is basics of laser. On next video we will start actual syllabus or first article of this unit, that is interaction of light and matter. Okay, thank you.